Hey, I'm getting ready to assemble these 2008 5.7 Hemi heads. I installed intake seats in them. I did a 3-angle valve job. I surfaced them. I faced all of his valves. And I got him Viton valve seals and brand new springs. All right, last one. Good boy, Bucky. Hey, happy Wednesday. How you doing? Let me get these Hemi heads assembled. Okay, here we go. I already checked all the stem heights. This is Cleveite bearing guard. Good stuff. So the valve train is non-adjustable and the height of the valve has to be set. I do that with this gauge made by Fowler. It just goes over the valve. This is an exhaust valve. And there you can see I got 468. And now for the seal. I'm going to put oil on the tops of the guides. Okay, I got all the seals down. These seals are different than the 2011s I did the other day. These are called a top hat seal, and they have the shim built onto them, unlike those 2011s. Let me get the springs on them now. Okay, second head. So when these heads came in, it had an EGR block-off plate. It must drink those gases down some other hole. So I decided to plug it for him with a pipe plug. There was no chance of a leak. There we go. So here's a look from the chamber side. And a look from the top side. So these have external dampers versus the internal ones. And they have an opening in them. And I point them all down towards the exhaust because the head leans this way in the engine. And I don't know if it would pool in them or not. I mean, they do have holes all around them, but might as well point them that direction. Maybe cut down on a little bit of oil. Came out nice. Let me vacuum test them. And the intakes. They're good. Hey, let's go see what Bear's doing. He hasn't had his morning snack yet. How you doing, buddy? Did you hear me coming? You want your snack? Hang on. Here you go. He gets 4 of these. All right, last one. Good boy, Bucky. That's my good boy. All right, that'll do it for this one. Set of 2008 Hemi heads. Say if you have an early Hemi, all the way up into mid-year in 2009, the seats will fall out and the springs will randomly break. So if you have the heads off, make sure to get them remachined and change those springs. Thanks for coming along, you guys. You guys come back and see me again, all right? And be nice to each other. Bye.